Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can track your Shopee order in Shopee application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First thing, you need to go and open the Shopee application on your device. Once you open the application, the next thing you need to do is to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Once you do that, here you will see my purchases, and under that you will say to ship, to receive, and to rate. So they already shipped my order, as you can see, and I have to receive one. So I need to track it, that where the shipment is. So once you tap on that one, then this one is the shipment that I will receive. So here, as you can see, the estimated delivery date is 11 December to 12 December. But if I want to see it on the map, you need to tap on shipping information. So once I tap on the shipping information, as you can see, you scroll a bit and you will find all the details that where is your shipment actually. You can read all of that, and they mention the time as well, that they updated the shipment last on 6:57 a.m. today. And if I want to see it on the map, as you can see, it started from here and now it is all the way here. So it is pretty close to my location right now. So maybe in the next hour, I will receive my shipment. So guys, this is how you can track your shipment in Shopee application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.